Hey, you made it to the last lecture of the chapter what anger is. And the next type of anger which we gonna discuss is the habitual anger. This is the type of anger which seems to be ever present. And the people with the such type of anger looks like angry young man. Do you know somebody who seems to be angry everywhere, every time with the no reason at all? Such type of people are considered to be mad in general. But as all of you know that the habits can be broken if there is a proper amendment in the lifestyle and the motivation that yes, I can do it. So if we follow the anger management tools, which definitely will be discussed in the future chapters, then we can get rid of any kind of anger, even the habitual anger as well. Habitual anger, if not controlled, then lead to the social isolation, stress, depression and many more things. So far so good with the habitual anger. Now we go ahead and talk about the penultimate anger on the list, manipulative anger. This is the anger with the purpose, so it's also called instrumental anger. This is something when we use anger emotion intensely in order to gain a control over a person or a situation. Moreover, it is also used as an emotional weapon for resolving the conflict with the family members, peers or others. A person expressing this form of anger may not start out angry, but will get angry when something doesn't turn out in the favorable way. As we all know about the human psychology, that when we feel that things are not turning out in the way we wanted and I am losing control over the situation, then anger emotion automatically triggered up from nowhere. So far we have now reached to the last type of anger, the retaliatory anger, more often also known as payback anger or revenge anger. This is one of the most common form of anger, especially in the families and the other close relationships. When sometimes we perceive that someone has deliberately insulted us or done something to put us down, then the anger emotion triggered up. And as per the law of human nature, to feel better we must get even. So it may even lead to the reciprocal payback cycle that keeps the problem going on and on. Escalation can make the dynamics of the reciprocal anger even much worse and might even result in the emotional vendetta. Friends, that's all about the types of anger. This was actually a little bit boring chapter because the persons who are facing such anger related problems might not be interested in knowing the types of anger. This was actually an informative chapter. From the next chapter we will talk about the causes of anger and how it works.